Good after morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is September 25th, 2024, and we're going to take a look at our pomegranates. Right now, the weather is actually pre-hurricane weather from Hurricane Helene, so I'm trying to get a video in of these pomegranates before the wind gets bad. We're on the east coast of Florida. Not sure how bad it'll get, but anything over 15 miles an hour, and we're talking a little bit of damage to the trees. The higher the wind goes, the more damage. So here are the pomegranates. There's a lot of flowers on that one over there for some reason. Same thing over here. We got a ton of flowers, but we've got a bunch of fruit on this one. The fruit are starting to get pretty decent sized. Like this one too. Really nice. Now the way you know when they're ripe and they're ready to pick is this bottom part right here where my pinky is will get like brown and crunchy, or they'll start splitting. So either or. But yeah, lots of fruit. I think we got 8 fruit right now, which was totally unexpected for this year, but that's good news. Got some over there too. Now on the ground, we have leaves and detritus that have been inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. I've also placed new material around the edges, and that seems to have been helping. So also, these guys love rain, it seems. So going forward, I'm probably going to spread the mulch out a little bit more, because that gives nutrients to the pomegranates. Now, typically they don't like humid climates, but this is a very humid climate, and these pomegranates, some of them, I'd say half of them have died off, and the other half are still surviving. Not a lot of thriving except for this one over here. So hopefully going forward we can get some trees out of these. They're on their way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, because I want to keep you updated on the progress of these pomegranates. Have a great day.